Hi, welcome to Saputra Insight Channel. In this video I will share about 10 strategies to overcome weakness and focus on strength. Stay tuned until the end of this video to get the whole insight. In our journey through life, it is inevitable that we encounter weaknesses and limitations that can hinder our progress and dampen our spirits. However, dwelling on our weaknesses can lead to self-doubt and a sense of inadequacy, holding us back from reaching our full potential. Instead, it is far more empowering to focus on our strengths and leverage them to create a fulfilling and successful life. In this video, we will explore 10 effective strategies to help you ignore your weaknesses and channel your energy towards developing and maximizing your strengths. Number 1. Discover your strengths. To truly embrace your strengths, it is crucial to first identify and understand them. Engage in self-reflection, consider feedback from others, and assess your past successes to gain insight into your unique talents and abilities. By understanding your strengths, you can begin to shape your path towards success. Number 2. Shift your mindset. Adopting a growth mindset is essential for focusing on your strengths. Instead of viewing weaknesses as obstacles, see them as opportunities for growth and improvement. Cultivate a positive outlook that highlights your strengths rather than dwelling on perceived shortcomings. By shifting your mindset, you can unleash your potential and unlock new possibilities. Number 3. Set clear goals. Define specific and achievable goals that align with your strengths. Clear objectives will provide a sense of direction and purpose, allowing you to concentrate your efforts on leveraging your capabilities effectively. By setting clear goals, you can channel your energy towards areas where you can excel and make a significant impact. Number 4. Develop a support network. Surround yourself with individuals who believe in your strengths and encourage your growth. A supportive network can offer valuable insights, guidance, and motivation during challenging times, helping you stay focused on your strengths. By nurturing meaningful connections, you create a support system that empowers you to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Number 5. Delegate and collaborate. Recognize that you can't excel in every aspect and learn to delegate tasks that fall outside your strengths. Collaborating with others who possess complementary skills can enhance productivity and allow you to focus on what you do best. By leveraging the strengths of those around you, you can create synergistic partnerships that drive success. Number 6. Continuous learning. Invest in lifelong learning to expand your knowledge and build upon your existing strengths. Seek out opportunities for personal and professional growth through courses, workshops, and self-study to stay ahead and remain adaptable. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning, you can enhance your strengths, stay relevant, and seize new opportunities. Number 7. Develop resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. By focusing on your strengths, you can develop a strong foundation that enables you to overcome obstacles with determination and perseverance. Building resilience allows you to navigate through difficulties, maintain your motivation, and achieve long-term success. Number 8. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Instead of fearing failure, view it as a stepping stone towards growth. Embracing failure allows you to learn valuable lessons, develop resilience, and refine your strengths further. By reframing failure as a temporary setback and a chance to learn and improve, you can overcome the fear of failure and embrace it as an essential part. Number 9. Seek feedback and constructive criticism. Actively seek feedback from mentors, colleagues, and trusted individuals to gain different perspectives and identify areas for improvement. Constructive criticism can help you fine-tune your strengths and enhance your performance. By embracing feedback, you demonstrate a willingness to grow and develop, leading to continuous improvement and excellence. Number 10. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Recognizing and rewarding your successes will boost your self-confidence, reinforce your strengths, and motivate you to continue thriving. By acknowledging your accomplishments, you create a positive feedback loop that fuels your drive and inspires further growth. Conclusion. In a world that often emphasizes weaknesses and faults, it is essential to shift our focus towards our strengths. By identifying and leveraging our unique talents and abilities, we can cultivate a mindset of growth, overcome limitations, and achieve greater success and fulfillment. Remember, it is through embracing our strengths that we truly thrive and make a positive impact. In this video, we have explored 10 powerful strategies to help you ignore your weaknesses and focus on your strengths. By discovering your strengths, shifting your mindset, setting clear goals, developing a support network, delegating and collaborating, embracing continuous learning, building resilience, embracing failure as a learning opportunity, seeking feedback and constructive criticism, and celebrating successes, you can unlock your full potential and create a life filled with purpose and achievement. Remember that focusing on your strengths does not mean ignoring your weaknesses entirely. It is important to address and improve upon areas of weakness that significantly impact your performance or hinder your progress. However, by prioritizing your strengths and leveraging them to your advantage, you can create a solid foundation for success. So, embrace your strengths, believe in your abilities, and confidently pursue your passions. With the right mindset and these strategies in place, you have the power to overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and lead a fulfilling and successful life.